Number 7 looks to explain if the evaluated value will be positive or negative without doing any calculations. Here we have a negative 10. Then we have a negative 4. Then a negative 2 all together. We have negative 10, negative 4, and negative 2. All we have are just negative values. Okay. When we add negative values together, they just become a larger negative. Okay. Therefore, the evaluated answer or the evaluated value will be negative. Okay. There you go. Number 8, explain if the evaluated value will be positive or negative without doing any calculations. Here we have a negative value, and normally we can just put this to the top value if we want. So we could bring that negative 2 up here. So we have a negative 14, and we're dividing it to 2 even pieces. So we can write that. We have the value of negative 14 that is going to be divided into 2 even groups. Okay, the 2 even groups are going to be made up of negative 7, and the other one is also negative 7. Okay. When we divide a negative number, which is in our case negative 14, when we divide a negative number by a positive value, which is 2, when we divide a negative value by, like, say, a positive value like 2, we still get a negative number. Okay,